Hi friends, welcome back to Panika Tutorials. In this video, I want to discuss about border image property in CSS. So I sincerely request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. We have discussed how to add an image to the background, and then we have discussed how to have a border. In the border, we need to provide the border width which specifies the thickness of the border, and then we can add a style to the border, like we can do double, dotted, solid, dashed. Like that we have various styles. Whatever the style you have provided, using that style the border will come, and then you can specify the border color. So the border property will take the width, style and the color. Now using this border image property, we can allow to specify an image to be used as a border instead of normal border around the HTML element. Till now, using the border property, we have added a border around the HTML element. But using the border image property, we can add an image as a border. This border hyphen image property has three parts. First one is the image to use as the border, because you need to specify an image as a border. So that image you need to specify, and then in that image where you want to slice, because this border image property takes the image and slice into 9 sections, the 4 corners and the 4 sides and the 1 center. So it slices the image into 9 sections around the 4 corners, 4 sides and the center. So where to slice the image? In the 4 corners, how much pixels you need to take for slicing, and then you need to define the middle section which should be repeated or stretched. Okay, so it consists of 3 parts. One is that image to be used, where to slice, and you need to define the middle section whether it should be repeated or stretched. Now let me discuss about the border hyphen image property with an example so that it will be clear for you. Let me go to the desktop CSS and let me right click on new and then text document, and I will provide it as border image dot html. Let me click on yes. Let me right click on this document, open with Notepad++. I will write the basic HTML, and then I will open the HTML tag and I will close the HTML tag. Inside the HTML, we have 2 main tags. One is the header tag and the body tag. The header tag consists of the title of the page and then metadata and then internal style sheets. The body tag consists of the information which you want to display on the web page. Let me go and provide the title for the web page inside the header tag by using the title tag. So I will write border image in CSS and let me close the title tag, and then I will provide the style sheet. So I will, for the div tag, I will provide the style. So it is a tag based selector. I will provide border as 10 pixel width, and then solid is the style, and then I will provide it as transparent, end with a semicolon, and then I will provide the padding which is 15 pixels, end with a semicolon. Now let me write the border hyphen image property. It has 3 parts. One is the image to use as a border. That one you need to provide inside the URL. Let me use this border image. So this image I am using as a border. Okay, so the name of this one I have given as border with an extension called PNG. As this image is there in the same folder where my program is also there, so directly I can provide it as border is the name of the file with the extension PNG. If it is there in the separate drive, you need to provide the complete URL. So the border hyphen image property has 3 parts. The first part is the image to use as the border. Next one is where to slice the image. You need to provide the pixel. Let me provide it as 20 pixels, and then you need to provide the middle section should be repeated or stretched. Let me provide it as round, so I want to move it round. Okay, I can provide it as a repeat, round and stretch. Let me provide the round. In the body I will have the div tag. I will write Parnika tutorials, and then let me close the div tag. Let me save this program, go to the desktop, CSS, border image.html, open with Google Chrome. What is the issue we are facing? Div tag. Oh, this one we need to provide inside the style read, because this is internal style sheet. So you need to provide inside the style tag. So I need to provide the style type is equal to text or CSS, and then I need to close the style tag. So whatever the selectors I need to use, that I need to provide inside the style tag, that I forgot to provide earlier. Let me save this one, go to the browser and let me refresh it. Now you can observe, got the border image. Whatever the image we have selected, that image has been sliced into 9 sections. If you observe, this is the our image. Now this image has been sliced into 9 sections, 4 corners, these corners, and then 4 sides, and then the center. In the center you have the element. If I provide in place of round as stretch, then let's see what will happen. Let me save this one, go to the browser and let me refresh it. Now you can see the image has been stretched, this middle part. Okay, the middle part has stretched, and then Parnika tutorials has been displayed. We have discussed about this border hyphen image property. This is a shorthand property. In place of this property, we can use various other properties like border hyphen image hyphen source, border hyphen image hyphen slice, border hyphen image hyphen width, border hyphen image hyphen repeat, the border hyphen image hyphen source. This property is useful to specify the path to the image to be used as a border. If you look at the border hyphen image has the 3 parts. So first one is the image to be used as the path. That one you are providing the URL. That you can do separately with the border hyphen image hyphen source property. So it specifies the path to the image to be used as the border. Similarly, we have border hyphen image hyphen slice property. It specifies how to slice the border image. I can say where to slice the image. So you need to provide the pixels. So that many pixels will be sliced in the all the 9 sections. We have another property called border hyphen image hyphen width. It specifies the width of the border image. We have border hyphen image hyphen repeat property. It specifies that the border image should be the center part can be repeated, rounded or stretched. That we can provide with the help of border hyphen image hyphen repeat property. If you observe earlier, we have provided border hyphen image the stretch part, right? Instead of that one, even you can provide it as repeat. Now let me discuss all these properties individually with an example so that it will be clear for you. Let me go to the Notepad++. Instead of providing this border hyphen image, I will use all these individual properties. So first I will provide the path of the image using the property called border hyphen image hyphen source property. For this property, I need to provide the URL, and then URL I will provide it as border.png. The name of the file is border and the extension is png. Let me end with the semicolon. Then I can provide how to slice the image. That you can do with the help of border hyphen image hyphen slice. Let me provide it as 20 pixels, end with the semicolon. Then I will use the border hyphen image hyphen width. It specifies the width of the border image. Width I will provide it as 20 pixels. Similarly, I will specify the border hyphen image hyphen repeat. It specifies the middle section should be repeated, rounded or stretched. Let me provide it as stretched. Then we will see what will happen. So border hyphen image hyphen repeat is the name of the property and the value I will provide it as stretch. Let me end with the semicolon. Let me close the curly braces. Let me save this program. Go to the browser and let me refresh it. See what happened. We got the output like this. Let me remove this width property and see what will happen. Let me save this one. Go to the browser and let me refresh it. Now you see earlier whatever we have provided using this property like border hyphen image, then we have provided the URL, the 20 pixels, and then stretch we have done right for repeating that. Whatever the output we got, same output we got now. So we can do this border hyphen image using these individual properties like border hyphen image hyphen source, border hyphen image hyphen slice, border hyphen image hyphen repeat. The border hyphen image hyphen width specifies the width of the image that we will verify now. Border hyphen image hyphen width. Let me provide it as 20 and we will see what will happen. Let me save this one, go to the browser and let me refresh it. Now the width of this border has been increased. Like this we can use the border hyphen image hyphen width property to specify the width of the border. I hope you have understood about the border hyphen image property. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.